Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Agile plugin on a Bitnami Stack that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do before do anything is to just download your plugin. It is done via your license manager in case you use the Pro version, which here is 164. However, if you use the Lite version, then you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and here you have to click on the plugin itself and then click on download. Here, when you click, you have to request it on your email and on your email address. It is going to come immediately and automatically. So let's go back to our steps. So when we have the zip file, then we have to unzip it first and then go into the inner folder. So we have to copy this file, this folder that is redmine/agile. Alright, but before that, let's go and start Bitnami Stack. So you have to go to your Redmine folder for the Bitnami Stack, and then you will see the Manager Linux run file. You have to double click on it, and here onto the Manage Servers tab you have to start all. So it is starting the server and the database. It's taking a couple of seconds. Okay, so we see that it is now running successfully. So let's go to our browser and double check. We just wait a little bit. Yeah, it's going to take some time. Okay, so now Redmine is started. So we see in our system information that the Agile plugin is not appearing here. So we are now going to install it. The thing that we have to do is to open our command line and navigate to the Redmine folder and then up Redmine sorry, before that you have to go into the core Redmine folder, and here you have to execute the use Redmine file, which is going to be done in this way: /use Redmine. It is into the core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 4117. So we are now into Redmine, and now we navigate to up Redmine htdocs. Okay, so now we are into the htdocs folder. Here you have to execute the bundle install command. This command is going to install the required gems for the Agile plugin. Okay, so the next one is the migration command. Please make sure that here into the names section it is set the plugin you are trying to install. In our case it is Redmine/agile. So we continue further. We see the message now, plugin Redmine was not found. Yeah, it is because we haven't copied it yet. So we go here into the folder where we have extracted it and then copy, and afterward navigate to the Redmine folder and then apps and then Redmine htdocs, and here find the plugins folder. So we paste it here. Now we repeat the steps, manual install, and now the migration. So the migration is successfully done. If there was some problem, there was going to be some error message or something like that. So the very last thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine by going here, restart all. So we wait a little bit. Okay, so now we go back to our browser and then click refresh. The restarting is taking some time, so we wait. And here is our Agile plugin. It is successfully done, so we have done our work correctly. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.